Assalamu alaikum, everybody. It is really difficult to understand why marginal revenue is the shadow of average revenue and why marginal revenue is always half of the average revenue. It is really difficult to understand it from graph. When we draw graph in case of monopoly and monopolistically competitive market, we draw lines like this. This is average revenue and this is marginal revenue. And average revenue is greater than marginal revenue at each price. So this is the concept which we generally teach students and we are familiar with it. But most of the cases, it causes confusion why marginal revenue is half of the average revenue, because the slope of marginal revenue is always greater than average revenue. From this graph, it is really difficult to understand why it is so. However, if we take an example of a numerical equation, as per the basic principle, average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by quantity. And if we have total revenue 40Q minus 0.1 minus 0.1 Q square, and if we divide it by Q, then the answer will be, we can cancel out Q with Q, like you can write it as 40Q over Q minus 0.1 Q square over Q. And if we further simplify it, then we can cancel out Q with Q, and we can also cancel out this Q with this Q. So Q square divided by Q will be equal to Q. So answer is 40 minus 0.1 Q. This 0.1 is the slope of average revenue. So average revenue, overall average revenue is 40 minus 0.1 Q, but 0.1 is the slope of average revenue. Now we can find out the slope of marginal revenue, and we know that marginal revenue is the first derivative of total revenue with respect to Q, or we can also write it as change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. And if we take first derivative of total revenue, then we have total revenue. I'm writing it again here. Total revenue is equal to 40Q minus 0.1 Q square. And if we take derivative of total revenue, then marginal revenue is equal to the first derivative of total revenue. And if we take derivative of 40Q, then it will be 40 minus, if we take derivative of 0.1 Q square, then as a basic principles, we will write 0.1 and we bring power down, and power is 2. And as a basic principle, we deduct 1 from the power as well. So it is 40 minus 0.2 into 2 is equal to 0.2, and the power of Q is now 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. When power is 1, we need not to write it. Now you can clearly see that the slope of marginal revenue, this is marginal revenue, the slope of marginal revenue is 0.2. But from the same total revenue curve, we found that slope of average revenue is equal to 0.1. So slope of marginal revenue is double of the average revenue, or slope of average revenue is half of that of slope of marginal revenue. So this is the logic behind this, that marginal revenue is always half of the average revenue.